innovation and teamwork, UPC and the Dobot team transformed a complex process into a streamlined, automated solution. The company faced a major challenge. Every part had to be inspected manually, taking up a huge amount of the inspector's time and slowing production. As demand increased, keeping up with 100% manual inspection simply became impossible. The robotic solution was implemented through close collaboration between UPC and the Dobot team. Together, we built a system from the ground up, achieving a tightly optimized packing density. The Dobot team provided crucial support in robot spacing, programming, and troubleshooting, ensuring seamless integration and reliable operation. The improvements achieved include a 70 to 80% reduction in manual inspection, allowing for faster and more efficient order processing.